How to write a postcard. A postcard is similar in writing a letter, but only the content of the postcard is lesser than in a letter. So the content of the postcard is up to 50 words. So first let us start in drawing the postcard. The postcard has two sides, that is side 1 and the side 2. So you first draw a complete rectangular column and you start with the place. This place is from where you are writing. If you are writing from Chennai, you mention the place Chennai, but it should not be the complete address, it is just the place. So a single place is mentioned here, not the complete address. And then at the below you write the date with the pattern date, month and year. And then comes the salutation. Salutation of whatever the question requires. It can be either a letter or a postcard to your uncle. So it can be dear uncle or dear auntie. And then comes the content. Content is of 50 words. So now we come to the side 2. In the side 2, the content is continued over here. So you can see the side 2 is divided into two parts. So this part is for the continuation of the content. So either a line or two you can write it in the next side and end it with a complimentary close. It can either be yours lovingly or yours sincerely or whatever the question requires with your name. So the sender's name is mentioned here. And now coming to this side, you mention the name and the address for whom this postcard is being written with the pin code in the box. So this is the pattern that you have to draw for the side 2 with the stamp, a square box for the stamp, and for the pin code the column, and these 3 lines for the address, name and address. So remember children, for writing a postcard you start with the side 1, that is place, date, salutation, content, the continuation of the content, complimentary close, name, the name and address of the receiver along with the pin code. So now let's come up with an example of how to write a postcard. So let me read the example for you. You are Riya or Rahul. You have gone to Manali with your family. You decide to send a postcard to your best friend in Chennai. Write a postcard in not more than 50 words. So as I said, a postcard should consist not more than 50 words. So beginning with the side 1, we first draw a rectangular box, mention with the place. So you're writing it from Manali. On the date 13th September 2020. And the salutation, dear XYZ. So here we have not mentioned a name for your friend. So if a name is not given, you can either mention it as XXX or XYZ. If a name is not given in the question, also you can mention the same way as XYZ or XX and X. So this is the pattern how you write a name, and then comes the content. So it should be a very short and simple message in the postcard. So we have reached Manali safely. Weather here is very nice and pleasant. Day after tomorrow we will be going to Delhi. Now comes the continuation of the content in the side 2. We will be back in 5 days. Give my regards to all. So the content that starts in the side 1 ends at the side 2, just with 3 lines, and then comes the complimentary close. Yours loving friend, Riya or Rahul. And now with the address. So it is Mr. XYZ, number 3, Brickfield, Tambram, Chennai, and the pin code 600073. So this is how you write the pin code, the address. So let's see the example again. The place, date, salutation, content, the continuation of the content, complimentary close, your name, and the receiver's name, address along with PIN code. So this is the format of writing a postcard.